Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine at home. Today is Sunday, 19th of April 2020. Topic for today is suffixes. Our objective for today is to form nouns using suffixes. So today we will learn about suffixes from your students' book, page number 44. So let's start. Today we will learn how to form nouns using suffixes by adding er, ment, and adding ing and ed in verbs. So let's see. Before we start our topic, first of all we will learn what is a suffix. A suffix is a group of letters that can be added on to the end of a root word to slightly change its meaning. When we add a suffix in the root word, it slightly changes the meaning. Like walk is the root word. When we add ing in the word, it will change into walking. And here in the walking, walk is the verb, like it's a root word, and ing is the suffix. When we add the root word walk with suffix ing, it will slightly change the meaning of the word walk into walking. The suffix ing, like ing, is added to the end of the verbs to show that something is happening in the present. For example, I kicked the ball. If you can look at the picture, the girl is kicking the ball. So I kick the ball. When I will add the suffix ing in the root word is kick, it will change like I am kicking the ball. So the word will slightly change into kick to kicking. I am kicking the ball. Can you add ing, the suffix, to these words, then put them in a sentence? For example, walk. Now here the root word is walk. We need to add ing suffix into the root word walk. I am walking to the shops. Next we have three more words like stick, pick, pour. Now they are saying that we need to add the suffix into the root words, like stick will change into sticking, pick into picking, and pour into pouring. It will change the meaning of the word slightly. Here next we have the suffix ed is added to the end of the verbs to show that something has already happened. Can you add ed to these words, then put them in a sentence? For example, walk. Walk is a root word, and we need to add the suffix ed to the root word. I walked to the shops. Can you make more words by adding suffixes like lick, licked, listen, listened, watch, watched, bang, banged, play, played, sprint, sprinted. Next we have the suffix er is added to the end of adjectives to compare two things. For example, small. The girl was smaller than the boy. When we want to compare two persons, we need to add the suffix er. For example, the root word is here small, and then we will add the suffix er to show the comparison. The girl was smaller than the boy. Next we have, can you guess what these people's job are by reading what they do? Add the suffix er to the doing verb to make the name of their job. I play football. Football is a root word. When we add the er to the root word, it will change into I am a footballer. I paint. When we add er, the suffix, to the word paint, it will change into painter. I am a painter. Same like I build. I am a builder. I clean. I am a cleaner. I farm. I am a farmer. Can you think of any more jobs that end in er? Can you? Can you write a speech bubble for that job describing what they do and what they are called? This is your work to search more words by ending er words. Can you describe what each of these people is feeling by looking at their expressions and adding the suffix meant to the underlined word in their speech bubbles? Yeah. If we look at number one picture, this picture amazes me. So when we change the word amazes, when we add the suffix into the word amazes, it will change into amazement. The second picture is I agree. I agree, it's mean that when we add the suffix meant to the root word, it will change into agreement. Third one is I know I will achieve my goals. Achieve is, as you can see in the pictures, the root words are in the bold form. So when we add the suffix to the root word, it will change into achievement. Fourth one is this cold water will refresh me. Okay, if I want to change or if I want to make it by adding the suffix, it will change into refreshment. Can you write a sentence using each of the nouns, new nouns you have created? Can you? So here is the task for you. Dear students, open your students book page number 44 and make words using suffixes in your copybook. What you gonna do? Copy these words into your exercise book and circle the suffix in each word. You can circle the suffix with different colors. Think of 3 other words that end in the same suffix. You could make a chart like this in your copybook. For example, they made for you one already for the word survival and the suffix is here al. Other words they made for you arrival, cultural, official. As you can see in every word, the words are ending with the suffix al. Now there are 2 more words, warmer and roughly. As you can see in warmer the suffix is er and in the roughly the suffix is ly. So you need to make 4 or 3 more words of same suffix. Hope you understand this topic and good luck.